We have our bags packed, the apartment was turned in, and the plane ticket has been bought. And honestly, I didn't know I would be filming in this space that you see right here, but this video has to be a full circle moment. This right here is actually the business center in my hometown where we started the business with Gabe. This is where we signed our first clients ever. This is where I recorded my first videos ever speaking about digital marketing. So if this isn't a pinch me moment, tell me what is. So basically these income streams that I'm going through are the income streams that are allowing us to live, do what we love, and now officially start traveling the world, which of course you guys are coming along, so pack your bags and get ready. We're starting from the top down. That means the biggest chunk of money that comes in month by month, all the way down the ladder. So coming in at number 1 is our agency that I co-founded with Gabe, straight from this exact room. Over the years that has evolved. It is a boutique agency. We do take about 3 to 4 new clients per year. They're all DTC brands. We have this whole application process that they go through, and we work on landing pages and sales through content. Coming in at number 2 would be consulting. So this is everything that I do one-to-one, whether it's a personal brand or an actual brand looking to improve their content, specifically if they are looking to incorporate a bilingual strategy. So I do offer that service, and that does come in at number 2. This is more of a one-to-one high-level service that is out there for those people that need that extra support and extra guidance, and it does come with that follow-up to make sure that everything that is discussed in the session is actually implemented and the results are seen. Moving on to number 3 has to be the brand deals. Now, while I don't do these often, these are a big chunk of income that comes in just because it is a lot of work that goes through. I do not partner with a lot of brands for various reasons. Number 1, I do not want to bombard my audience. It's taken me a lot of sweat and time to build up my audience, so I definitely just don't want to promote anything out there. I am very, very specific with the brands that I work with, and the brands that I work with are more of a long-term thing because it is brands that I truly believe in. That is why this comes in at income stream number 3. And very similarly, we have income stream number 4, which is the UGC content. That whole entire series that I shared on how you can become a UGC creator, how you can create content for brands that's not necessarily posted on your account, but it's given to the brands. Well, I've done that. I've worked with over probably 200 brands doing UGC the past 2 years, so that is a big chunk of income that has come in. I don't do it as often now, but the brands that I do work with, as I mentioned in that video where I was recording and showing you how I actually film, well, they do bundles and I do them reoccurring where it actually becomes a very good, healthy income stream. Now, in the past, when I did work with more brands, this was a bigger income stream, but it does mean I was dedicating a lot more time doing that. So if that's something that you're interested in, check out that full UGC series. It's literally A to Z, everything that you need to know to make that your full-time income stream. And it doesn't stop just there. I literally realized how many things I did just by making this list. Coming in at number 5, we actually have a tie. So it's like one and the other. I don't know which one would take the lead because every month it does vary. So one month, one might be bigger than the other, and then it fluctuates. And these 2 income streams are affiliates and my AdSense. So affiliate is basically any commission that I earn from the affiliate brands that I am partners with. These brands I partner with about max 5 to 8 per year. These are things that I personally use. So it would be anything like Later or Relay Bank that I share. And when you guys sign up, I do earn a commission from that. So that is an income stream that I have. And it works very well because if it's something that you use, it's just a lot more natural to share it with other people, share it with friends and family, and you earn your cha-ching from that. On the other side, we have AdSense. So AdSense is anything monetary that comes directly from the platform where I post content on. In my case, my biggest stream is from YouTube. I have 2 channels in English and Spanish, and YouTube pays me each month. It doesn't necessarily mean that YouTube pays me per the views that we have there, but YouTube, the way it works, people run ads. So businesses usually run ads. These are the ads that you see in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end of the video. If you watch an ad, you click on it, you interact with it, well, then the brand gets charged. The amount that the brand gets charged gets split up into the creator and YouTube. So if you saw an ad on my channel, let's say there's an ad right here, then you clicked on it and you interacted, well, I would get a percentage of that. And that is the monthly income that YouTube gives me per each channel. Last but not least, I conglomerated everything and I named this my seasonal income stream. So this means anything on the side that I am promoting. So for example, when I do the content or Instagram audits, where I literally, as someone from the outside, put my eyes on your content, I think that is so beneficial because sometimes us from the inside, it's like we don't see what needs to improve, but somebody from the outside can quickly go, hey, change this, and boom, you automatically see results. So when I do that, that income stream comes in. There are little other things that I have promoted in the past, but that is very seasonal. It's not something that is a steady monthly income, which is why that comes in last. Of course, like I mentioned, this was from the top down. So the agency is our biggest chunk that comes in each month, but keep in mind, I have challenged myself to actually meet and surpass that agency revenue straight from my content, and I'm gonna be taking you along the journey with me, sharing the strategies that have worked for me, what has not worked for me, so stay tuned while we do that, while also being on the road. Now, our first stop is Seattle. After that, you're gonna have to stay tuned to find out where we're headed to next, but just be ready, have your bags packed because it's gonna be a long and a good juicy ride. I'll be sharing all about that in the next coming weeks, and Seattle is actually something that I'm partnering with a brand with, so that's going to be super exciting. So I'll see you right back here on this same exact channel next week. Bye.